And so together, the power to power rule and the product to power rule can be really actually quite powerful in helping us simplify some exponential expressions. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first one, and let's try to see if we can write an equivalent expression to simplify what's happening here. So in here, we can apply both the product to power rule and the power to power rule. So we're going to go ahead and get started with the 7. Let's go ahead and distribute this exponent to every single term in the expression. So what will end up happening is we're going to end up with 5 to the 7th power times x to the 7th power. And then my other one is y to the 2nd power raised to the 7th power. Now this is where the power to power rule comes. If you remember from previous lessons, what we do in this situation when we have something raised to a power already and we want to raise it to another power, in this case 7, we simply multiply our exponents. So when we go ahead and simplify this expression, we end up with 5 to the 7th power times x to the 7th power times y to the 14th power. Go ahead and try this last example. Give it a try, pause the video, and we'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. So let's go ahead and apply the product to power rule and power to power rule, some of our favorite laws of exponents in this case. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and distribute this exponent with my two terms, in this case 3 and a. 3 is already raised to the power of 2, so I have to apply my power to power rule here. That means that I have to multiply my exponents, 5 times 2. And then a already as well is raised to the power of 4, so I have to multiply those exponents. And so what end up happening here is I end up having 3 to the 10th power times a to the 20th power.